Hey traders, it is 12:24 p.m. on Monday, December 23rd. We called out two trades, RGTI and Tesla. So let's have a look. RGTI, we were bullish above 1050 with a target all the way up to 1363, up to $15. So this one, it triggered pre-market. So we got this 1050 around here. We got this pre-market, and then it went all the way up to 1280 here. Pre-market. So that was our trade, and then it fizzled out during the day. There were some scalping opportunities if anybody was interested there, but you know, most of the action happened there, so that turned out to be all right if anybody was up super early. And then if we look at Tesla was interesting. We were bullish above 434.50 and bearish below 428.50. So this was kind of interesting. This was on its way down a little bit pre-market, but we had gapped up. We see here on the right hand side we're stuck in between some moving averages. The purple line's the VWAP, and this is the 4 and the 8, and we actually came down to the 15 moving average here. So anyway, out of the gate we were bearish below 428.50 with the target down to 421.06. This was our target here if we broke our 428.50 just below the pivot. So 421.06, we actually came all the way down to touch this S2 at 415.66. You see that? Right down there, big wick, and then we had a reversal there. So this didn't quite trigger our bullish above, but we got our trade here. This came very close. So anyway, that turned out to be great. Let's look at our callouts for the day. So here we made $2 on RGTI, which is pre-market, and we made $7.44 on Tesla from 428.50 all the way down to 421.06. So that's two trades today for a total of $9.44 a share. And if we look at our cumulative score since December 3rd when we started doing this, we're up to 89.3%. We've got 28 trades, 25 wins, 3 losses, a total of 60 cents for the loss, and 64.29 for the wins, and total trade 63.69. All right, so hopefully you enjoy these videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. It helps with the content. If you have any suggestions for features or anything you'd like to cover, please drop us a note at support@mobyticktrading.com. All right, have a great rest of your trading day. Take care.